I'm gonna give you a little water under that tire.
Yeah, he's gonna do it.
Me and my girlfriend just going for a ride. You guys leaving?
Yeah, he's going.
Boy, if you don't get
Gay.
YouTube, what's going on? Thank y'all for tuning in to another video, y'all. And I'm glad y'all tuning in with me today, because today we're going to be turning some wrenches slightly. Not nothing big or extravagant. But we'll be meeting with one of my homeboys, Fred. He got an 05 Mustang GT. We're going to be helping him take his alternator, replace his old alternator on his car and put a new one on. It's something small, some ain't that difficult to do. Anybody can do that. Just something simple, real, very quick. Man, ain't nothing really hard for real to put on the alternator. But you never know what you may run across. There's always something going on when you try to do something simple and then it turns into something big. So we about to ride over there, meet up with him, and make some stuff happen. So y'all stay tuned to this video, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, good people, we made it. We about to turn a few wrenches on that green 05 Mustang right there. Right now, he can't drive because of that alternator not charging that battery. So we gonna make something good happen for him today. I told him I'm gonna come through, put it on for him, and while we're doing that, we gonna fool around a little bit. He gonna let you know what next he gonna be doing to it. There you go, right there. Yeah. Yeah, you feel me? Yeah. So we about to turn a few wrenches, probably get our hands dirty a little bit. So. I told you this ain't hard, man. It ain't hard. Alright, y'all. Let's see. We about to look like I'm about to take this intake off. Man, I hope I don't smash my finger.
Smash your finger.
Yeah, man. You know when them damn bolts get a little stuck and you try to put some torque behind and you slip and you hit your hand on some of this hard shit, man. That shit hurt.
I feel you.
But that's why I bought these gloves, so you know what I'm saying? They
nice.
Yeah, they AutoZone.
He said them AutoZone.
Yeah. So
Ain't that special. Ain't that special.
we finna try to make this simple. Let's see. So I'm about to unhook this intake, and from there I'm gonna have to find that belt tensioner. That's why I need to know where the belt tensioner is. Okay, the belt tensioner over here. Now I might have to unhook this radiator hose. Alright. So y'all stay tuned, y'all. We about to put in a little work. Get my tools out. Man, it is hot, man.
Yeah. Boy, it was hotter than this. It's actually cooling down.
That belt tension. I don't have a socket wrench. Get in there. Well, they be glad you got a best friend that know how to do this stuff. Yeah, but see, it's not. I don't think it's big enough. But we gonna see. I might not need to use the car ball. But listen, y'all. This right. Even though it's just an alternator, it all depends on where the alternator is located. You know what I'm saying? It looks simple, but sometimes stuff like this won't be as simple because you rush it. You don't take your time, you can hurt yourself for real. It was many times I worked on the car and I ended up spraining my finger, bleeding out somewhere. And all I did was unconnect the holes or something, like something just simple. So you gotta take your time. So what we gonna do first? We gotta unhook this intake. Make sure I got all my sockets and stuff. Okay, there you go. Got a wrench. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Some pliers. Or you can just use it. You can get a socket wrench and just get the side socket you need. Yeah, get that right there. And you know what? Oh, okay, here you go. I don't know what to say. Missing some of my bits. Sometimes they all scattered in my trunk. We're gonna put this out. Oh, y'all, and again, y'all, we will be hitting that track up tomorrow. Try to see it. We gonna go to the track with me tomorrow.
Yeah.
You gonna pull up with me? I know it ain't that much to get in. My girl motorsport. No, they doing a testing to them. Yeah, they you know, people get their cars, their fast cars, and go out there. They might want to see what they clocking on the track.
Oh, okay.
You know.
I ain't know nothing about that.
Yeah. You know, they just, you know, since that pandemic, everybody want to get out there. Something to do tomorrow. It's going to be about 5 something. And y'all got to be careful, y'all. This plastic. Some of this plastic under this hood can be old and brittle and break easily. You gotta be careful. We gonna sit this aside. Fred. I gotta take this garter body off too. And it's breaking. Intake had to sit on top. No, I ain't gonna lie. It ain't gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna put y'all back on soon we get off, man. So y'all stay tuned too. Alright, y'all, we getting this throttle bite off. We got 4 screws to take out. We didn't unhook the battery just in case if we take this alternator off and that wire was touching the thing, it won't ground out and shot the hell out of either one of us. So safety gotta be the first thing, y'all. Y'all can't be doing this and not protecting yourself. Shit, the bottom bigger than the top. And like I said, y'all, I turn wrenches a little bit. I ain't no damn mechanic. I ain't gonna lie and say I'm one. I'm not. It's just little simple stuff like this. Anybody can do.
Don't make me feel bad.
It's done it, man, but it take all the right tools to do it. Everybody ain't got the tools to do it. No. But I ain't want you going out paying nobody no $300, $400 just to switch, just to change the alternator out. You feel me?
You feel me?
That's too much money to be spending.
Boy, that's what you have a best friend for.
You feel me?
Old Steve-O. Oh, and just to fill y'all in, I did help my friend get this car. He did. I was struggling. I was about to buy some bullshit.
He was about to buy some shit that's gonna do nothing but smoke until after a few
after a few months of having it. And I said, he was like, man, you know.
All right, bro. You just making me feel bad now. Like
I ain't, man, come on, man. I'm just speaking.
They already seen my face. Now they be like, man, that nigga ain't
Man,
face shit.
Stop, man. But he was like, man, I get this thing. If I can find me one, if you can find me one, oh yeah, hell yeah, man, I got you. I'll do some research now and find you one. And so he got lucky. He got lucky.
Bro, I was laying in the bed, bro, in Atlanta, in the hotel. Because I was getting ready to pick my sister up from the airport. It was like 10 something. Right before 10, yeah, it was 10 something when I text you. Before 10:30, you found and I was texting the lady.
And I say, man, I'm gonna make sure you get something that somebody ain't really ran through and just dogged out. Cause don't nobody want to car that somebody in a race and did donuts in and all that extra stuff. And then you get the car, you can't drive it cause the damn car smoking or ticking or knocking, and you done paid over $3,000. And now you about to come out the pocket. You about to come out the pocket more money because of somehow somebody else did the car. So I made sure he got him a perfectly bone stock Mustang that he can just work on himself. Well, hold on, y'all. I know for a fact
What that?
one of these sockets fit. Cause see, the boat's way down up in there. I can hardly see the one I'm trying to get. Okay, here we go. We found it. But anyways, I wanted to make sure he got him something good, somebody that ain't run through, you know, and kept it the way the car came off the lot. And we got lucky with this one. He had to ride long ways to get it, but it was worth it.
Well,
Yeah, and ever since he had it, he enjoyed it, and he just want to learn so much more about these Mustangs and stuff, just like me. So anytime he had a question or concern about this stuff, he always called me just to get info on stuff. And since he had the car done did him good. And had no issues, no problems at all.
Yep.
This car. So look, we about to pull this throttle body off. Y'all stay tuned to the next scene, and we about to see what we gonna do next to get this alternator off. So y'all hold tight. All right, y'all. We finally about to get this thing off. Here we go. Throttle body. Now, one thing about these throttle bodies, you can get an aftermarket throttle body, and what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to get more air into your motor. If you get a bigger one, it's supposed to get more air into your motor, and with more air in your motor, you get more horsepower. So I let Fred know, hey, you willing to upgrade this right here make a big difference on this car, because the car itself already pushing 300 plus horsepower. So any bolt-ons he do, a throttle body, an intake, he gonna get that power. He gonna get it. So anybody with a 3-valve like this, look up them intake throttle bodies on American Muscle, CJ Pony Parts, late model restoration. If you take the time out to visit them websites and you look the aftermarket throttle bodies for these cars, you'll see what I'm talking about. I swear, man, these cars already come fast off the lot, so really ain't much you can really do to make them faster, other than probably a tune or or little bolt-ons like I was saying. I don't think long tube headers do these motors justice for real. It may do justice to mine, but it don't really do much for it. So yeah, y'all do that. I hope I taught y'all something with that. So next, what we about to do is take this bracket off, just like you got a bracket sitting over this alternator. We about to take this off. But first, what I really need to do is get this belt off. So y'all stay tuned on that part. We about to take this. We about to take this belt. I got to release that tension, that belt tension. All right, so this is what we got going on. I just broke a damn bolt in one of these parts. Come here, come look. You know these bolts get stuck and they get old, and this is what happened. This shit right here. So look, luckily in my trunk, this what I got. I got some PB blaster. It's supposed to loosen these bolts, so that way when I do unscrew it ain't hard to take them off. So that was the lesson learned right there. Luckily I ain't no mechanic in the shop, and some shit like this happened. See, they would have made me pay for that. They would have made me pay for that, and them folk probably would have fired me too, cause I wasn't careful. But we gonna put some penetrating oil on them bolts and let that sit for a minute. And hopefully we'll be able to get these next three bolts off. I mean, as soon as I was putting some force on it, just broke, it just snapped. Which I knew was gonna happen, but I was hoping it didn't. So we're gonna let that sit for about a minute or so. We should be able to get them off with no problem. So y'all stay tuned. Alright. So this some good shit, y'all. If y'all ain't got none of this, y'all need to get it, because it did its job. I got the first one off. Now, the next problem I ran into is these two bolts right here. See, if you pay attention, I use a socket wrench to get both of them off. But now, getting these two, I can't seem to get in between this intake just to get to this bolt. So luckily I had tools in my trunk, like I would suggest y'all to have some tools. Ain't nothing like having tools when you're working on the car. You ain't got no tools, you can't work on the car. So the smallest wrench ever was in my trunk, and this will get off these next two bolts. But like I said, I had to dig deep to get this wrench. For real, like, this wrench was really at the bottom area of my car. But I had to just dig through shit just to get this. So we about to make this work. See, supposed to go this way, right? Yeah. Okay. right tight. What? How it go?
Left loose,
Okay.
tight. Already.
Oh, there we go. Cause ain't no telling how long these bolts ain't been touched, and you can easily break these bolts in there, y'all. That's why you take your time. Take your time. Don't be in such a rush. And I told y'all before, the smallest job can become the biggest job when it comes to working on these cars. That's why you take your time. Oh yeah. We did get the belt off too, y'all. Yeah, we got the belt off. Alright, I can get that. Oh, and shouts out to my daddy. If it wasn't for him, none of this would have been possible. He stayed on my ass to knowing how to fix on your own car, and having a little skill to even just put on a damn tire. Everybody can't even put a tire on their car.
Shame.
Yeah. If you can't put a tire on your car, call me for some lessons. I got you. I will teach you how to put on a tire. That's probably the simplest job ever when it comes to a car. Simple job. Cause see what happens if you break down the road? Who you about to call to come out 100 miles away from where you came from for somebody to come change your tire? All you got is yourself. So I would suggest everybody, if you don't know how to change the tire, you need to learn on today. You know what, bro? I ain't even gotta take this all the way off. Just scoop this shit over. You know what? We gonna go and take it off. We ain't about to do no shortcuts, y'all. So y'all. Oh, rule number 2, y'all. Don't do no shortcuts. Shortcuts will lead to problems too. I'm willing to take it all the way off. As you can see, he had a lot going on right here when he first started. It ain't as simple as putting one on my car. It was real simple with mine.
Boy, you're a whole mechanic right now.
You look like it, don't you?
Exactly. That's where it start. First you help your homeboy, next thing you know you got your own shop.
Okay, so look, this is what we got. This is the problem we got. I'm gonna have to just screw it over because this big motherfucker in the way. The screw coming up. So I'm gonna have to scoot it over. Hold on.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, now. You know what? I ain't even gotta do that.
You probably can just put it in.
Cause the alternator come off with this. My dumb ass. If y'all paid attention, this piece come off with this alternator. I really didn't have to take them inside both sides.
Yeah, so you breaking screws for no reason.
Got him! Got him!
Oh well, it is what it is. Alright, y'all. Y'all stay tuned to the next scene. We about to go and take this alternator off. There you go. Oh, there we go. Whew. Okay, this plug finna be a problem. Look, y'all, this plug is hard to get out. I might have to take my gloves off. Hold on. Take them off.
You want me to try it?
Huh? Oh, I got it. Gotta take the gloves off. Okay, I'm out of this flat head.
What you trying to take out?
Huh? The plug is not. I got the the plug got a button on where it locks in, and I gotta push that button down on top so it'll pop out. So I need a flat head. So I just seen it. Where did I see it at? See, this is the part I hate, y'all. We put tools down and then you can't find them no more. Oh, there it goes.
Bro, it's already on there. It's hot out here.
Man, what?
Just blame it on the heat.
Yeah, that summer heat. Oh. See that? Yeah, it's coming out. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to we got to go on a little recess right now, y'all. But like I said, a simple job can become a big job. So I'm gonna need my cameraman help. So y'all stay tuned to the next scene. All right, y'all. Job.
Damn, my bad. I should've just brought
We
that
finally got it out, y'all. We finally got it out. We about to put the new one in that we got from AutoZone. Gold status. So
yes, sir.
yeah. So he's sure not to have any problems now.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, we about to put the fresh one in, and we should be able to get it in with no problem since we know what to do. So y'all stay tuned. We are almost done. Almost done. Alright, y'all. We about to put this new one on. I'm about to put this bracket on. Me just talking to y'all and doing this, I overlooked the fact that this is actually the only thing. Basically, this whole bracket piece was hooked up to the motor, to the top part of the motor, and all I had to do was just unhook the outside bolts anyway to take it off. So I'm about to bolt this back on first, and then we just gonna sit it in there. Sit it in there. So, and keep on, and like I said, y'all be on the lookout. This car will be getting lowered soon. When I got here, he showed me them lowering springs, and at this point where he's doing that, looking for somebody to put the springs on. And I don't know what he gonna do after that. I think maybe he was gonna do an intake probably, I think. So it became a little project for him, and he having fun with it so far. It's like his first real big muscle car. Nothing like a muscle car. What they say, they be trying you on the road, man. They be.
Man, hell yeah. Bro, they stay trying. It's because I put them pipes on there.
Yeah.
I got a little sound.
Oh yeah, the flow mouses.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing got 40 series flow mouses, straight pipe, no cats. So I don't know if y'all watched my last two videos with the white Mustang I had. Like going towards the end, he kind of showed up and gave us a little sound clip, and it sounded good. It's about the best sounding 3-valve I heard. So after that, he just got motivated to just keep doing stuff too. So y'all stay tuned to that, y'all. He gonna blow me away with all he doing. It ain't nothing like a project.
You feel me?
Nothing like a project.
Feel like I'm in school again.
And it keep you busy, man. It's certain. So when you do stuff like this,
Shoot.
it's like a.
When you become a dad,
Yeah,
need
right.
you something else to do.
Yeah. I got one of my own. My first one. Probably my own. I don't know.
Yeah, everybody who say that end up popping another one.
Okay. Hold on. Let me plug it up first before I fire it up there. Gotta plug it up. Yeah, that's it. Gotta put this back on. possibilities of you putting this alternator on, you may gonna need to get another battery too. Because for some reason, anytime you switch to put new alternator, fresh alternator in, the battery will start acting up. So, not the jinx, nothing. But
too late. I'm already getting one. Too late. I mean, I know that. I mean, it's stock, and
yeah,
I know most of everything on here is gonna, need to be. Well, certain things gonna need switched out.
yeah.
That's why I went too shabby about the alternator going out. Cause I knew that. Especially with that radio not in there anymore.
Yeah. Let's get this in here. What was it?
What?
Something fell on the ground. Oh, I see.
Boy, good ear, boy. Cause I ain't hear shit.
Yeah, man, these ears ain't big for nothing. Well, look, y'all stay tuned. The next scene, we should be done putting this thing on. Hopefully, we don't run into no more issues. So, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. We finally got it on. Everything put together, belt back on, alternator back on. We good. And to tell you the truth, I probably wouldn't be able to do it without my homeboy Fred being here with me, because in a way, this would have ended up being a two-man job anyway. It was a lot of prying I had to do just to get that belt off, and a lot of help I needed with these screws. Like I say, these screws were stuck like Chuck, Lord have mercy. So we're gonna go on and get the throttle battery back on, hook the battery back up, and we're gonna crank it to make sure the alternator charging that battery. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, everything put back together. We about to run a test to make sure everything working properly. Go ahead. What you doing? Crank it in. Turn. Hold on, y'all. We done ran into another issue, so y'all hold tight, hold tight. Alright, y'all. This is the problem we got going on. We got the alternator on. The alternator charging the battery. Power running out both the charging. The power running out the battery and the alternator. So we came across another problem. Fortunately, it sounded like it started going out. I'm not sure. But see, looking for him, the good thing about these 5 speeds, without the starter, you can crank it. And for the ones who got a 5 speed, y'all know what I'm talking about. Turn the key on, push it down the hill, you get it up in gear, and you done that clutch, and boom, the car crump up. So that's what I'm hoping his problem is right now. I'm finna check and see. It's on right now. Cut it off. He needs a starter. Yeah, he needs a starter. He needs a starter, bro. So that's the problem he got now. Comment down below that line right there. You tell me what you think it is. I think it's a starter. The car, when you turn the key, that's what we hear every time. I just jump started the car and it came right on. So y'all do the math. Y'all figure that out. But that's my take on it. So yeah, man, you need to start. But everything else good. Ain't no battery light on in your dash, none of that. You good. Now you just gotta buy you a starter and have something to start on. Yeah. So yeah, y'all. We got them put in. Everything's good. The car, the alternator, charged and battery, so be straight. Be straight. If y'all have any questions for me on the install, simple install, like I said before, comment down below this comment box right here. If you're looking at the screen right here, there's a box right here. Comment. And if you want to be one of the first to know what video I drop on YouTube, if you look to your left, no, you're right, cause I'm left-handed. You're right. You're right. Not my right. You're right. See that bell? Hit that bell. That right there keep y'all on track on what every video I drop. All right. So look, y'all finna get out this sun. I'm finna take a bath. I'm gonna sweat out my shirt. I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me.